Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to make sure iPhone is backed up. Backing up your iPhone ensures your data is safe in case of loss, damage, or system issues. Regular backups allow you to restore your apps, photos, and settings. By following a few simple steps, you can confirm your iPhone is properly backed up and protected. To begin, connect to Wi Fi. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi Fi network. Open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID. Choose your name at the top of the Settings menu. Go to iCloud. Tap iCloud to access cloud storage settings. Choose iCloud Backup. Find and tap iCloud Backup. Turn on backup this iPhone. Make sure the toggle is enabled. Check last backup date. Look at the last successful backup time to confirm recent activity. Tap Backup Now. Manually start the backup if needed. Stay connected during backup. Keep your device on Wi Fi and plugged into power. Verify storage space. Ensure you have enough storage available. Enable automatic backups. Keep iCloud Backup on so backups happen daily when conditions are met. Use a computer backup. Connect your iPhone to a PC or Mac and back up using iTunes or Finder. Then check backup in computer and iTunes or Finder. Confirm the latest backup date and latest backup time. Test restore readiness. Periodically confirm backups are usable by reviewing backup details and settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.